Hello and welcome to Piko Tutorials. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to use the Advanced PTZ options. You can either find a PTZ camera by searching PTZ or navigating to a PTZ camera that you know is in your system. From there, you'll go up and you'll hover and click this PTZ option. Normal PTZs, you'll have to use this toggle to move the camera, and this toggle to zoom in, this toggle to zoom out. With the Advanced PTZ option, you have the ability to click and navigate wherever you'd like. If you'd like to zoom in, you simply highlight that area and it'll zoom in to that specific area. To zoom out, you simply double click and it'll take you back to the zoomed out version. Presets, if you have any presets selected or pre-functioning in your system, you can simply type the number of the presets in your keyboard and it will return you to the home state. Thank you for watching Piko Tutorials. If you would like to watch more how-to videos around Piko, please click here for our tutorial channel. Or you can visit us here at pikovms.com for more documentation and downloads.